Hey guys, it's LT with LT Fit here, coming to you today with a quick nutrition tip. This morning, I was in a bit of a rush this morning to get to work. I had to run to the market, had 10 minutes in the market, had to run back out home, drop some stuff off, and had to grab some food very quickly. Didn't have anything really prepared. This morning when I got up, I did boil some eggs, but other than that, I didn't have anything prepared, so I was in a rush. So instead of jumping to get fast food, what I did was grab some quick things out of the house, and this will allow me to not buy junk, but actually have some food that's actually decent nutrition. All right, so what I did was I grabbed an apple, okay? I grabbed a tomato, and I grabbed 4 boiled eggs. And also I had sardines. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna use this today. I guess I'm gonna have this is my breakfast and my lunch, by the way. So I guess I'm going to have boiled eggs with the tomato, or boiled eggs with the apple, and then sardines with the apple, or sardines with the tomato. So this is sometimes what you have to do, even if you don't plan. It's still not a reason to jump to fast food. Just grab whatever you can grab, makes the best of it, and still stay on track and be healthy. This is LT with LT Fit. Hope this tip helps you out. Have a great day.